Hey y'all. Okay, so as you can see, I have individuals in my hair, and I know this is pretty simple. Like, how do you take individuals down? It's pretty simple. I know a lot of you probably wear individuals and you take yours down. I see a lot of people taking their hair down with combs, but I feel like that's unnecessary. So I'm gonna show you a quicker way to take them down. As you can see, I've had them in for some time. So I went to grab my scissors, and you want to make sure first of all that you know where your hair ends so you don't cut it. And as you can see, my hair, if you saw some of the little pieces sticking out, that's where my hair is. So I cut a little further than that. Then I take the two ends of the braid and then I pull them, and that unravels the braid a little bit. So by unraveling it, you don't have as much to take down. You know what I'm saying? So you unravel as much as possible, and then you can go ahead and take the rest of the braid down. How I like to is I find the groove in the center of the braid, and I put my fingernail or the tip of my finger in between that groove, and I just slide right down, and it comes apart. I hope that this is making sense. It's kind of hard to explain. I just really feel my way. But when you all are taking your hair down, just try the pull apart method, and that should make it come down, unravel a lot quicker. So once I'm at the end, I just pull it out, and as you can see, I did not cut my hair. I did make sure to cut longer. So the key is cut longer than where you think your hair ends, so you will make sure you don't cut your hair. So I'm gonna do it again. I'll cut a piece, and then I'm gonna get the two ends. I'm going to pull them apart like so, and that one unraveled a little bit more than the last one. So after you have unraveled it as much as possible, you just go ahead and slide your fingers in between that groove in the middle and slide down. Now this is not in fast time, this is in regular time. So as you can see, this braid is coming down quite fast. So I just wanted to come to you guys and show you, my quick little method of how I take my braids down the easy way. One more time. Pull apart, unravel, stick your finger in the middle of the groove and slide down until you're at the end. Another thing I would like to mention is, as you're taking your braids down, you want to be sure to detangle as you're going through them. Because when you shampoo your hair and you don't detangle, your hair is going to end up being so matted. I had a client that did that, and she came to me. I had to give her a haircut, like an actual pixie cut, because she didn't detangle her hair before she shampooed after taking down a protective style. So as you can see, I'm using my dimming brush to go through that section multiple times. And don't be afraid when your hair is in the brush, because this is the shed hair. Please keep in mind that your hair sheds 50 to 100 strands each day. So imagine if you have your braids in and you keep these braids in for a month. That's like 1,500 strands that you should be brushing out. So don't be alarmed when you see a wad of hair that you have brushed out. Those are shed hair. You're not breaking your hair off, as long as you're being gentle. So that's it, y'all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.